Looking for the perfect bed frame that offers both solid support and stylish design? In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 bed frames on Amazon that balance form and function beautifully. Let's kick things off with the Zinus Wood platform bed frame. This frame is a standout for its rustic elegance and rock-solid structure. Made from solid acacia wood with a steel interior frame, it's designed to provide long-lasting support without the need for a box spring. The craftsmanship is evident in its clean lines and natural wood grain, giving your bedroom a warm, organic feel. With a platform height of 12 inches and about 8 inches of clearance underneath, it also offers decent underbed storage. What makes it especially user-friendly is the smart packaging and included assembly tools which allow you to put it together without fuss. The Wood bed frame isn't just built to last, it's built to look good doing it. Next up is the Zinus Korey metal platform bed frame. If you love a modern industrial aesthetic with a touch of comfort, this one's for you. The frame is made of durable steel and features a padded, upholstered headboard that's both functional and stylish. It provides excellent mattress support with closely spaced wooden slats, eliminating the need for a box spring. At 14 inches high, it offers 12 inches of underbed clearance, ideal for extra storage. One of the best things about the Korey frame is the quiet performance. The foam padded tape on the slats ensures there's no creaking when you move. It also boasts a sleek black finish and an overall minimalist design that can complement nearly any decor style. With a 700-pound weight capacity and a 5-year warranty, it's a smart investment for any bedroom. Coming in third is the Nectar bamboo platform bed frame, a favorite among eco-conscious buyers and minimalists alike. Though it leans toward the higher end of the price spectrum, the value lies in its sustainable materials and innovative floating design. The slats are crafted from natural bamboo, known for its strength and flexibility. This bed frame is designed to cradle your mattress evenly, preventing sagging and prolonging its life. The floating effect, achieved through its slightly recessed legs, adds a unique visual appeal while maintaining total stability. Assembly is simple, with minimal tools required, and the overall look is clean, modern, and effortlessly stylish. If you're after a bed that combines sustainability with a modern edge, this is a top contender. At number 4, we have the Allewie lift-up storage bed frame, an excellent choice if you're short on space but big on style. This frame blends an upholstered wingback headboard with a smart hydraulic lift mechanism, allowing the entire mattress to raise effortlessly and reveal hidden storage beneath. Whether you're stashing seasonal clothes or extra linens, this bed gives you an entire closet's worth of space without taking up any more room. The construction is sturdy thanks to a mix of metal and wood, and the padded frame gives it a plush, upscale look. It's ideal for apartments, small bedrooms, or anyone looking to maximize their storage without sacrificing design. Plus, the modern fabric finish and button-tufted detailing elevate the overall aesthetic of the room. Rounding out our list is the Amazon Basics foldable metal platform bed frame, the ultimate solution for simplicity, affordability, and function. Don't let the basic branding fool you. This bed frame has won over thousands of reviewers for its solid steel build and hassle-free setup. It folds flat for easy transport or storage, making it perfect for college students, guest rooms, or temporary living spaces. At 18 inches high, it offers the most underbed clearance of any frame on our list. Plenty of room for storage bins or suitcases. Despite its lightweight design, it supports up to 500 pounds and holds up well even after years of use. There's no need for tools during assembly, and it doesn't require a box spring. If you want durability without breaking the bank, this frame delivers exactly what it promises.